9 Ways to lose weight without exercise. Losing weight requires a calorie deficit, which means that you must burn more calories than you consume. In order to do this, consider both what you are eating and how much exercise you get. For many, though, it can be difficult to exercise, which limits your ability to burn calories. In this case, what can you do? Luckily, there are still many things you can do to lose weight. Here are some ways to lose weight without exercise. 1. Chew thoroughly. When you chew your food thoroughly, you slow down the speed in which your food gets consumed. This gives your brain time to process how much food you've had and let you know when you've had what your body requires. This helps to reduce your food intake and ultimately the number of calories you consume. 2. Use a smaller plate. Using a smaller plate will help to cut down portion sizes. When serving food on a smaller plate, it will appear much larger, but in reality, you are consuming much less than usual. 3. Eat plenty of protein. A diet rich in protein can help increase feelings of fullness, reduce hunger, and keep you from consuming too many calories. This is because protein can affect hormones such as ghrelin and GLP-1, which play a role in hunger and fullness. 4. Hide unhealthy foods. If you can store unhealthy foods out of sight, this will help reduce your cravings for them. Similarly, if they are stored where they can be seen, you're naturally more likely to reach for them. 5. Eat foods rich in fiber. Fiber aids with your digestion, plus certain types of fiber can help you feel fuller for longer. Viscous fiber forms a gel when it comes into contact with water. This gel in your stomach will slow down the rate that your stomach empties. Good sources of this type of fiber include oats, beans, asparagus, and flax seeds. 6. Drink plenty of water. Water has no calories, so when water is your beverage, your only calories come from your food. Research has also found that drinking water prior to a meal can help reduce hunger and the number of calories consumed during the meal. 7. Eat without distractions. You're more likely to overeat when distracted. Put aside electronic devices, including TV and cell phones, when eating. When you pay attention to what you are eating, you will find yourself eating less and consuming fewer calories. 8. Sleep more and avoid stress. When you don't get enough sleep, the production of the hormones leptin and ghrelin may become disrupted, which may lead to hunger and cravings. Stress can have a similar effect on your cravings, as it causes the production of cortisol to increase. 9. Serve unhealthy foods on a red plate. It has been found that simply putting unhealthy foods on a red plate can trigger you to eat less of them. One possible explanation for this phenomenon is that we associate the color red with stop signals and other warnings. Any sort of movement or exercise will help burn off more calories. Plan activities that you can enjoy so that they don't seem like exercise. Play with your children or pets. Enjoy a rollicking game of your favorite sport with friends or neighbors. Even going for a leisurely stroll in your neighborhood or nearby park will give you an opportunity to add some serenity from nature to your life while helping you to lose weight. As you can see, there are many things you can do that will help reduce your calories without having to exercise. Thank you for watching.